When we hear the word cholesterol, we immediately link that word with something negative. But did you know that cholesterol is actually a necessary component produced in our liver? Cholesterol is very important for several metabolic activities in the body, including cell formation, hormones, and byproducts. These are good cholesterols, also called high-density lipoprotein. The problem arises when we start eating food containing bad cholesterol. These are foods that are high in saturated and trans fats. Non-vegetarian food also increases cholesterol levels. All of this increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke. Other factors include genetics, high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, and even a sedentary lifestyle, which can increase the risk of a cardiac attack. Today, we are going to share a very special natural drink that is really beneficial for people suffering from high cholesterol. With this drink, you can naturally lower your bad cholesterol. This drink is called horsegram drink. It is abundant in iron and calcium and provides 1/4 of our total protein requirement in a day. Because it is low in fat and high in fiber, it really helps in reducing bad cholesterol, particularly LDL and VLDL levels. It even has anti-diabetic properties. This drink protects the liver and gallbladder and is even recommended for urinary calculi. It even helps in removing stones from our body. Now let's understand the ingredients. Cooked horsegram, 2 cups. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. 1 chopped tomato. Paste of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon. Mustard seeds, 5 milliliters. Coconut oil, 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. 5 to 6 curry leaves. Now let's understand the method of preparation. Clean, wash, and soak the horsegram for 4 hours. Now steam it and let it cool down, and then remove the excess water. Heat 1 teaspoonful of coconut oil in a pan, add the mustard seeds and curry leaves, and allow it to splatter. Add chopped tomatoes and sauté it nicely, and then add 2 teaspoonsful of garlic paste and sauté it until the raw smell goes away. Next add the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, salt, and water, and boil it. Add the horsegram to it, allow the mixture to boil, and then really mash it well. Remove it, let it cool down a little bit, and then strain the juice out of that. Serve it hot. Apart from having this healthy drink, you should focus on a healthy diet, which includes high protein and high fiber food. Include foods such as fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, healthy grains, and fresh nuts, which are soaked overnight. So stay active, keep a healthy lifestyle, and see that you are free from stress and tension to remove all the other problems you face day in and day out. Keep healthy, keep fit, and look after yourself. Try this recipe out and share your results with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Cured by Earth to stay updated on natural remedy facts, and leave any natural cure-related questions in the comments section for future videos. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones.